Welcome once again. And just like I said, one of the problems caused by the overconcentration of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere is climate change. But before we can understand climate change, let us look at the meaning of climate. When we say climate, climate is the weather of a place averaged over a period of time of 30 years. That is, if we study a particular weather for a long period of time, we can establish the climate of the place. So what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day state of the atmosphere and its short-term variation in minutes to weeks. This means that weather can vary in the short term and in the long term. Let's look at the state of weather. With the state of weather, we can have a sunny day, we can have a cloudy weather, we can have a snowy weather, we can have a rainy weather, we can have a windy weather, and of course, we can have an icy weather. I hope you agree with me that in a day, we can have about 3 or 4 of these. That is, in the morning, we may have a windy weather. Then when we get to the afternoon, we may have a sunny weather. Then of course, we may have a cloudy weather, and even we may have also a rainy weather in the same day. That is why we say that weather is short term. But we can study this weather for a long period of time to be able to establish its relative periodicity, to establish the tropical or the climate of a place. With climate, we have tropical climates, and of course, we have the temperate climates. With tropical climate, we have the dry season and the wet season. That is, they have 2 seasonal moments or seasonal climates. With the temperate, they have 4 seasons. That is, they have the winter, they have the spring, they have summer, and of course, they have autumn. So, with climate, we study it for a long term, and weather is the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. We went here and have some few questions. We'll be back with climate change.